In this video, I will be showing you how to launch Windows Copilot if it is not available in your region. Let's get started. First, I go down to the taskbar and click inside the search bar. I type in Setting to look for the System Settings application. Once the application appears in the search results, I click on the Settings app to open it up. Now that the Settings window is open, I navigate over to the left-hand sidebar menu, scroll down to the bottom, and click on Windows Update. To make sure everything is running smoothly and to verify my system version, I go ahead and click on Update History. I spend a few moments scrolling down through the long list of quality updates and feature updates just to confirm that my Windows 11 operating system is completely up to date with the latest versions successfully installed. Once I finish reviewing my update history, I close out the settings window to return to my desktop screen. Next, I right-click on the Windows Start menu icon located in the taskbar to bring up the Quick Links menu. From the list of available system choices, I click on Run to open the Run dialog box. Inside the text input field, I verify the specific command line pointing to the Microsoft Edge Copilot protocol handler. After selecting and checking the command text, I click the OK button to execute it. This action immediately launches the Microsoft Edge browser, opening directly to the main Copilot interface homepage. To access the integrated sidebar assistant, I move my cursor to the top right corner of the browser window and click on the Copilot chat button. The dedicated chat panel slides open cleanly on the right side of the screen. I click inside the prompt input box at the bottom of the panel and type out my market query, asking for any update about the trading in PH. In market tradings, after finishing the text, I click the send arrow button to submit my message to the assistant. Copilot processes the query and generates a comprehensive, real-time market snapshot for the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. I carefully scroll down through the generated response to review the detailed financial data, including the overall index point changes, individual sector performances for financials and industrials, foreign investor net inflows, key market drivers such as inflation and geopolitical risks, the list of top gainers and losers, and the final risk outlook summary. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.